Welcome to the Unseen Universe. We're back with another favorite for these little critters, another gemstone. This one is a very ancient gemstone. Well, technically they all are, but this one has been used for ages by people. It's called Carnelian. What is this in my pocket? Carnelian! Check that out! I have these little pyramid carnelian samples right here. You can have one and you can have that one. And I have another sample of carnelian under the microscope right now. Let's begin our adventure. Let's see what this beautiful gemstone is all about. 5X, here we come! Whoa!
I see that this one looks like Jupiter.
It looks like Jupiter. You're absolutely right. Go ahead and show everyone. So he's actually made a great observation. Most carnelian is actually orange and reddish in color. That's exactly right. And it does resemble Jupiter.
That one looks like a fossil.
It does look like a fossil. Wow. Yeah, it looks very prehistoric and ancient. Wow, so there's 5X. And let's continue. I see some purples and some pinkish colors. Beautiful colors in this carnelian.
Black.
He sees black. Yeah, Osito, there is some black right there. He's absolutely right. Let's continue our exploration of this beautiful and special gem, Carnelian 10X. Here we come. There is 10X. What do we think about that?
I still see the fossils.
He still sees a fossil. Speaking of ancient times, carnelian has been used for a very long time. The ancient Minoans used carnelian. The Minoans were the precursors to the Greeks, so they're really old. Did you know what they used the carnelian for?
We use them for necklaces.
Necklaces, that's right. And they
bracelets.
And bracelets. And they would also take carnelian and use it as a seal, because hot wax does not stick onto carnelian. So they would put that on their special documents. The Minoans used it, the Roman Knights also used it. So there's 10X, beautiful purplish color is really coming through. Let's continue our journey. 20X, here we come. Whoa.
I see some black.
You still see some black.
I see the fossils.
You still see some fossil. Well, it's not a fossil, it's a carnelian gem.
But the thing in the middle looks like a fossil.
Another interesting thing about carnelian is that it's actually referenced in the Bible, in the book of Revelation 4:3. So many different cultures used it. The Romans, the Minoans, and in the Bible. We're really zoomed in on that little crystal. Let's continue and look at that crystal even closer. 50X, the last frontier.
Here we come.
Here we come. What is that now?
That looks like a dinosaur.
What do you like about it?
We love that it's shiny and red and orange.
That's right, it is red and orange.
Shiny,
Beautiful.
red and orange.
So it's been used for a long time throughout human history, so people have a close association with carnelian. So there you have it. What was your favorite part of the carnelian?
We love that it was shiny, red, and orange.
Okay, and black. This guy likes the color black. Okay, yeah. My favorite is that the ancient Minoans used it, and they found carnelian in their tombs. What? Interesting. So there you have it, folks. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the special Carnelian gemstone. Join us next time as we continue to explore the
See you.
Good night.